Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax documents to TurboTax from IRS forms, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your relevant IRS forms. Make sure you have your W-2s, 1099s, and any other necessary documents. Log in to your TurboTax account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, select the option to start a new tax return. Navigate to the section labeled Import from Financial Institutions. Choose the option to import your IRS forms directly. TurboTax may prompt you to verify your identity. Follow the instructions to confirm your identity securely. After verification, you'll be able to see a list of available IRS forms for import. Select the forms you want to transfer into TurboTax. TurboTax will then retrieve these documents from the IRS. Review the imported data for accuracy. If any information appears incorrect, you can manually edit it. Proceed by clicking on the plus button to add any additional forms if needed. Continue through the tax preparation process. Check that all necessary sections are completed. When finished, review your entire return for any errors or omissions. Save your progress frequently to avoid losing any information. Once everything looks good, you're ready to file your taxes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.